I'm John De Villaria from grade 11 HUMS, and I'm here to discuss about the random variables and probability distribution. So without further ado, let's start. Dito, and yung column 3 hanggang 6 ay blanco, habang yung column 1 at 2 naman ay given na. So gagamitin natin yung column 1 at 2 para masagutan yung blanco. So ang una natin sasagutan ay yung column 3. And yung formula sa column 3 ay x times px. So yung x natin ay 2 and yung px naman natin is 1/10. And so magiging 2 times 1/10, and 1/10 is equals, ay 2 times 1/10 is equals to 1/5. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa susunod. So, 4 times 2 ay 4 times 2/10 is equals to, so, isusolve natin siya sa calc easy or kung pwede naman sa scientific calculator kung meron kayo. So, 2 times 4. 4/5. So, dun din sa susunod. 6 times 3/10. And yung lumabas is 9/5. And the next is 8 times 3/10. Dito is isi-simplify natin siya. So, magiging 1 and 4/5. And dito naman sa 8. 8 times 3/10. So, ang sagot is 12/5. So, dito is isi-simplify din natin siya. So, magiging 2 and 2/5. So, dito naman sa 10 times 1/10 is equals to 1. So para mahanap yung m, ipagpa-plus natin sila lahat. So, 1/5 plus 4/5 plus 9/5 plus 12/5 plus 1. So, ang lalabas is 31/5. So, m is equals to 31/5. So, dito na tayo. So, x minus m. So, dito is x ay 2 minus 31/5. So, gagamit natin yung calc easy natin. So, 2 minus 31/5. So, ang lalabas is negative 21/5. And the next is yung 4. Negative 11 minus 5. Over 5 pala, sorry. And the next is yung 6. Negative 1/5. And the next is yung 8. 9/5. And the next is yung 10. So, ang lumabas is 19/5. And so, mag-proceed na tayo dito sa 5th table. And ang formula niya is x minus m squared. So, ang gagawin natin is ito. Negative 21/5 squared. So, ang lalabas is 441/25. Ganun din sa dito, 11. So, ang lalabas is 121/25. And the next is yung sa negative 1 over 5. And ang lalabas is 1 over 25. And the next is yung 9 over 5. Over 5. Ang lalabas is 81 over 25. And the next is yung 19 over 5. And at ang sagot is 361 over 25. So, magpo-proceed na tayo dito sa last column. And yung formula naman niya is x minus m squared times px. And yung xm squared natin is 441 over 25. So, tapos times px, 1 over 10. So, 441 over 25 times 110 is equals to 441 over 250. 441 over 250. And then next is yung 121 over 25 times 210. 2 over 10 is equals to 121 over 125. And the next is yung 1 over 25 times 3 over 10. So, ang sagot is 3 over 250. And next is yung 81 over 85 times 3 over 10. So, ang sagot is 243 over 250. And next is yung 361 over 25 times 1 over 10. Ang sagot is 361 over 250. So, after nito is ipagpagtasan natin yung nasa 6th column. So, 441 over 250 plus 121 over 125 plus 3 over 250 plus 243 over 250 plus 361 over 250 is equal to 129 over 25. So, after nito is i-square root natin siya. So, ang lalabas is square 129 over 5 square root. Yun. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something. Thank you.